What's good, PIP N DIP family? Today I decided to break down this Euro USD trade for you guys, and let's just get into it. So when I was looking at this market, I saw that we had this huge meltdown, right? And so the first thing I wanted to do when we had this big push down was identify a zone that we could look to see maybe a small pullback off of. So I like to identify my first zone on the hour one. Let me just bring this back to where we should be. I like to identify my zones on the hour one and then go look at my minute 15. So since this is just such a big push down, I don't really like how it's moving. I decided this minute 15 order block would be a really good one because even on the minute 5, it was just so low in this zone that I didn't think price would reach there, but I still had it marked up just in case price pushed all the way down there. Okay, so now my minute 15, I was just waiting for price to close within here and give me a break of structure. So that way I could take this order. As you can see, price makes its way all the way down here, closes inside of our order block, and then gives us a nice break of structure right here. Since we closed in our order block, this signifies to me that I can use the stop loss of my order block as the bottom wick over here. So I then had this order right here, sent it in my VIP signals chat, and I wanted to be smart. I know that the market is heavily pushing downwards here, so I know that we might not come back up to cover this whole move, because think of it, if this huge move just happened, this 200 pip move, doesn't mean that we're just going to instantly push up 200 pips. But I still felt like we have a zone in here which price is latching onto, so we can look to make some money off of this move. So what I did was I marked up the liquidity resting right here, right? And I figured, okay, that's a good zone to be targeting, you know, somewhere over here. That's about a 1 to 4. But I also saw we had this little pullback upwards in this zone right here. So what that showed me was we'd have a potential rejection order block resting over here. And that's what I wanted to see as my final take profit, which is just about almost a 1 to 6. If we refine this, yeah, see a 1 to 6.14. And that would be a beautiful take profit. You know, if you risked $100, you just made 600. That's like passing half a funding challenge right there, just in one trade. And so let's just let this play out. And as you can see here, price taps here and continues structure upwards, right? So what that means for us is because it doesn't close in here, let's just say you didn't get the initial move, you could have set this limit right here with the initial stop loss as the original order block. The reason why you can't set it to this one, or that I wouldn't, is because price didn't close in the order block. So I would still be using the original order block's stop loss, but you could use the same take profit, almost a 1 to 4. You can see price actually came back down right there to tap you in, and then it starts to push up, does its thing, comes all the way back down, and we're still in both of these. You know, we haven't been stopped out, but then eventually just literally slaps our take profit and starts moving back down. So just like that, just by being patient, you could have caught 10 risk to reward in 2 trades, which is beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm also hosting a webinar this weekend. The first 10 spots are free. I'm going to leave a code in the description if you guys want to sign up. Don't miss out on that. Peace out.